Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in this one, what we're going to do is set up and configure DNS. So let's go ahead and do that. So what you can do is go to manage, add rows and functions, features, click next, click on DNS, add features, click next, and install. We'll be back when this is finished installing, so stay tuned. Okay, let's go here to tools, go to DNS, and here you can see our server. So you can click this drop down menu here and go to for lookup zones, and here you can see my domain, and we already have some hosts here. But what we're going to do is go through adding a host. So we go to click inside this window and click next new host. Right, we're just going to give this a name. So let's name it new J. Okay, we can give it an IP address of 192.168.0.1, and we can click add host. Right, it's created. Click done. You can see it right here. Okay, and now we head over to reverse lookup zones, and you can see we have none set up, so let's create one. Click new zone and click next. And click primary zone, creates a copy of zone that can be updated directly on the server. Click next. You're going to leave this on the center option to all DNS servers running on domain controllers in this domain. So click next. We're going to use IPv4. What you're going to do here is add the network ID. Right, we're going to click next. What you're going to do is click do not allow dynamic updates. Right, and you're going to click next and finish. So here you can see our reverse lookup zone is created. Right, and what you're going to do here is add a new pointer. You're going to click new pointer. So okay, let's go browse for lookup, name here, and let's click our created host. We click OK, and click OK, and there you have our pointer created. So with that, we have successfully created our for lookup zones and our reverse lookup zones. So let's test this. So we can right click on our server and click launch NSLookup. And already there you can see the default server name. So let's test that this is working. So the first thing we can do is type 192.168.0.1, and there it was retrieved. So to test properly, we're going to do one more host record. So let's minimize this. Let's go to our domain. Let's click new host. Let's type www. We're going to put IP address of 192.168.0.5. Let's add host. Click OK. Click done. Let's go to reverse lookup zone now. Create a new pointer. Let's browse. Right, I clicked that, click OK. There you can see it was the IP address was retrieved, and click OK. Right, let's go back here and let's type www.joel.com, and there you can see the information has been retrieved. Right, so here you can see the new host that was created, 192.168.0.5, and yeah, so that's it for now. You can see that everything is working as it should at this point in time. So okay, there you can see everything is working as it should. and that's it. So as you can see, it's not difficult. It was easy to do, and yeah, we'll continue with more of this in our next video. This time we'll be doing group policy objects. So stay tuned and thank you for watching.